This is how to swap your buckle with a folding clasp. I'm going to be using our multi-fork tool, which you can find in the link down below in our store. Flip over the strap. Between the leather and the buckle, there is a spring bar that we need to hook onto and pull out. I recommend laying the strap flat for extra leverage. Pushing downwards and inwards, you will hear a click. Then we can remove the buckle. To remove the tongue, simply pull the spring bar out and the tongue should come out gently. Then put the spring bar back into the strap. Flipping the strap back over, we need to align the tip of the spring bar with the hole inside the clasp. Once you have inserted one side, reposition the strap for easy access. Using the tool, I will push down on the notch on the spring bar, push it into place. You will hear a click. And there you go.